this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your IP address anonymously using the tools. It is called AutoTor IP address changer. So it's available in GitHub repository. I'll also put this link in the description below and you will able to get from there. Oh, by the way, if you are new to my channel, subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. If I upload new video in the future, you'll get notified. With that being said, so now let's go ahead and open the terminal. Once you open the terminal, let me make a little bigger, and you have to do sudo to enter the root mode. Type your password there and you should be okay. Now let's copy this. Once you copy it, you can just go to get clone, type this and make sure spell is correct, and you can just hit enter. That will clone the auto_tor_ IP changer, and you can go inside the AutoTor IP changer. And also in the meantime, I want to share with you is just go ahead and install the Tor browser in your Kali machine. That's how that plugin is helping you to being autonomous, changing the IP address in the Kali machine. Just make sure it's updated and install the Tor browser. So once you do that, there's no any other requirement for that. So now you can do ls. Once you do ls, you can make the installation files to the executive mode, so you can just execute from there. So for that, you have chmod plus x install .py. Once you hit enter, let's do ls one more time, and you will see the installation file there with the installation.py. You can do python 3 install.py. Once you hit enter, it will ask you to as I know, so you have to say uppercase Y here. It's pretty much done, so you don't have to do anything. It says you are now successfully installed the Tor IP changer. Now let's go ahead and do that. So first thing, AUT, and hit enter. That will also require something changed in the browser, so let's go ahead and we'll change this one to 172.0.0.19050. So if you click here, settings, general, it will show up the startup tab, all those details, and you have to go all the way down to the network settings, and you have to click on settings here. Once you click on settings, you have to type manually, and then you have to change the IP address with SOC, so 127.0.0.1, and the port will be 9050. All right, so just make sure this is the correct one. All right, so once you go, you can say click OK, and you can just put the number there, how many time you want to change it. That's okay. So if you are saying, hey, I need anything that's 15 seconds, so you can just type 15 seconds. Per time being, I will just use 10 or 5, doesn't matter. So it says that how many times you want to change this one, so I will say infinity. So infinity is 0. So if you see right here, infinity IP change type is 0, so 0. Let's wait for the IP address that pops up, and we will check our IP address. Once you see the IP address that changed here, you can literally go to DNS leak here and just refresh. It will change your IP address to different location. So let's wait for change. So if you see right here, now you can see the Sweden. So it's keep changing the IP address. You can literally like click refreshing after every 10 seconds. It will change your IP address. You may get this error, but be very mindful that sometimes it doesn't use the IP address that require. You have to be very patient with that. So that will randomly change your IP address with a different location. And let's wait to get the another IP address from here. That should be okay. So now after 10 seconds, if I refresh, this is the different IP address if you see it. So but still we are getting error here. That doesn't mean that it is not changing the IP address. All right, and now I am in the different location. After 10 seconds, if you refresh one more time, it will change the IP address. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, please comment below and I will get back to you with the answer as soon as possible. And also, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe, share, and thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video.